total mind bender, right? You have no idea how many times I've stumbled across one of my dead bodies. When I said I'm gonna save all of humanity, starting with you, I wasn't lying. But tragically, there is no antidote for Zagharon's sting. See, what I gave you was a primer.
The nanobots have completed their scan.
So I could make a new you.
The transition can be tough.
Sara 2.0, alive and well. And that's just the beginning. Merging alien and human DNA. I knew that was the answer, but it turns out that kind of merger requires an awesome degree of mental fortitude. Hard to find mental fortitude, but you know who's got it in spades? I'll give you 3 guesses. Never mind, I'll give you 0. I got them off these old romance novels by some lady, Rebecca Steele? No, Gold. Silver. Anyway, your story was so inspiring. Resilience, it seems, is the key. Otherwise, we get an Amelia Earhart situation.
You're sick.
You want to see something sick? Check this out. Photoshop Ava put this concept art together. See? That's you, that's you, that's you, but also not you. A better you. They're alien Sara Lance hybrids, and together we'll colonize every planet in the galaxy and begin the next chapter of the human race.
You're gonna put millions of alien me's onto planets billions of miles away. What are you, 6?
It's cloud printing. This is a symbol of your old life. You need to engage with your future.
Why would I help you? Because I died and you cloned me? I die about once a year, and my girlfriend's a clone. Now I'm gonna get off this planet, and I'm gonna propose her with that ring. Now give it back to me, son of a...
Bummer. Thought this version of you would be cooler. Take her to the incinerator. I'll just keep tinkering until I get a version that cooperates.
No version of me will ever help you!
I love that fighting spirit.